Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas Day 20. What's today? The 23rd? So it's like day 24. It's Vlogmas Day 24. And it's cruise day. Mom and I were up with stomach aches all night, so things are going great. We're gonna go upstairs and I just want like toast. I really want an English muffin with peanut butter and banana, but they didn't have peanut butter downstairs yesterday. So I'm not too...
I'll go see if they have it upstairs.
I don't know what the word is, but we're gonna go up and get some food. Guys, look at this boat. I thought it was ours, but Mom said it's a carnival. It's huge. We just had some breakfast and I'm feeling a little bit queasy still. We haven't even gotten on the boat yet. We're gonna go say hi to Mimi and Paps. And then we need to go get ready to go 9/11. I look like a founding father. Mom thought that was funny. I say it all the time.
How do you get that out of?
Look at me.
Your little ponytail?
You think they're even gonna wake yet? It's 8:40.
I would think so.
They are awake.
Hello. I came to say hello.
I just got the vlog is almost up. The Wi-Fi is so fast here. I think that was maybe 5 minutes. So the vlog's going live. I need to change. We're heading out. All right, we are on our way. All of our bags are stuffed full. We're heading to go down to get on the shuttle to go to the cruise. Get on the bus, God willing. It's very cold. The sun just came out, so that's a good sign.
You ready?
That's the carnival.
Huge. I mean, it's not our boat, but
no.
it's huge.
We're both vlogging. That's our boat. But that's the one I saw from our window. That thing's huge. Look at those lifeboats.
I don't know if you can see it. Damn. I can't freak out. Yeah.
You know what the sky's not
Don't be scared. There's no reason to be scared.
I'm scared.
Of what? About what? Exactly.
I'm terrified of the ocean. We just got our picture. And now I guess we're getting on the boat. I don't really know. I'm scared.
Now what do we do?
I don't know. Go that way.
They didn't find that lighter. They didn't find my lighter.
Oh, we're going this way. Matt, do you want to push it for him? Oh, okay.
You can make that into a TikTok.
Oh no. I've created a monster.
Thank you.
So where do we go?
But how do we have the key card, so how do we go to the
Use your paper. You have to pay for it. Yeah, that's
Wow.
what you get the key card.
Fine.
certainly not short on bars. Would you like a little?
One through every single door.
What's this drink?
You guys good? You got a beverage package already?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
You get a beverage package.
Yeah, we have the beverage
Buy
package.
them here too.
Yeah.
Fit here?
In case you don't know.
They change it?
Yeah.
What does it say?
Monday.
Oh. Come on, squeeze in.
And after we have lunch, you can all go wherever the heck.
So we made it in. Now we're going to lunch because we got the Keys program or whatever, so we have a complimentary lunch. And yeah, it's really pretty. We're going to find our room. Comes. Is this us?
Are we on that
Wait,
side?
where's our sign?
We can party?
Yeah, no, we're next to each other. You guys didn't know that?
No.
Will you hold this?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Matthew Cunningham? Oh.
I'm gonna
Boom! It's official. Let's
I can't
try
believe
it.
your mom
Let's
threw
try
away
it.
her patch. Alright, here we are, Tim. B13.
Official review.
Oh wow, this is tiny. Fuck.
Wait, I want to see.
Oh my god.
Yeah, no, they're
So
small.
I'm down though. I'm down for the count. I mean, release to board. Orient feet. Use. Yo,
Wait, you
connecting
have a little-
rooms.
Is it connecting? Free cups?
Is it connecting?
Is it connecting? Wait,
Well,
what's going on?
that shit. It's locked, but we can ask.
Open the lock. Open it.
It's fucking locked.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going into our cow room. Wait, let me in. Oh no, ours isn't separated, Tim.
Oh, this isn't cow though. Oh, it is cow.
Yeah, look, the cows.
I thought it was more cow related.
There's a lock.
There's the
There's
cowness.
like a key thing. Oh yeah, we got a free cup.
This is annoying.
I know, we can have them separated.
Oh, we can.
Yeah. Wait, we got, Tim, look, there's sushi.
What?
Tim, there's sushi.
Sushi?
Tim, what is this?
What? This is lit, fam.
We got sweet. Wait,
What's in there?
I don't know.
Get in there. It's desserts.
chocolates. Wait, this is so, we got a little sandwich and some sushi and some fruit. Where's mom and dad? They need to see this. Tim, it's because we're on sweet status. Because we have the cow bedroom. Look at the cows.
Look at those
Look
cows.
at the cows. This is so cool. Look at the cow on the wall.
I expected it to be like cow.
Really like cowy, yeah.
Yeah, like a
Me too.
cow bedspread.
Oh no. Oh wait, look. This is our key stuff. I'm coming.
Can I stop recording?
Yeah. So we're going to bring my parents our chocolates because we don't want them. But we have to find their room first. Down here? Oh, right here.
Oh. No, I don't think my parents are down here.
I think they're on the other side.
That would be the other side, wouldn't it?
Oh. Hi, we bring
Gifts.
gifts.
Come on in. Oh, you have a cool window.
Why did you get those?
Roomy.
Oh, we had a bunch of stuff in our room. Because we're sweet status.
She claims that it's because of the cow butts.
Yeah, it is.
It's a sweet status
This
room.
is
Well, what do you
gnarly.
have?
It's a big old window.
Wow.
Yeah, I know.
Matt looks so excited.
Yeah. Cheers.
All right, let's go upstairs.
Big ass cake, man.
So close. I haven't vlogged in a minute, but we're having drinks on the deck. The deck? Is that what I call it? They're all deck.
Cool that.
Cool day.
Paper straws are not helpful.
They're very thick though.
They are very thick, but they fall apart.
Guys, so I'm just in our little room right now. I came in here and I FaceTimed Dylan for a little bit after dinner, and I just redid my makeup because I want to go to the ice skating show at 9 o'clock, but it is almost 8 o'clock right now, and I think I'm gonna go down and get myself some Ben & Jerry's because honestly today's been a roller coaster. I don't know. I think it's just because like the first day is really overwhelming and like everyone's everywhere and it's just like a lot, and adjusting to a cruise. I've never been on a cruise before, so it's all new and whatever, but I think I'm gonna go get some Ben & Jerry's. I don't know if the stores are open. I should go look because I know they have like stores too. Let's see. Yeah, there's a lot of people down there. I don't know where the stores are, which side they're on. Oh, they have a band down there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go down there. I don't even know if the Ben & Jerry's is still open. And I'm trying to decide if I should change or not. Because I kind of want to. But is it gonna be cold in the ice skating? Alright guys, I need to end this vlog really quick because my battery is dying and I'm gonna charge it while I'm gone. But I hope you guys liked today's vlog. I hope you guys like seeing the ship. Make sure to like and subscribe for more vlogs. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. And then Vlogmas will be over in 2 days, so that's crazy. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.